may maganda ka ng plano kasi nakita mo na eh. You only need one good cycle. Si Tito Ben Tot Korea, ang dami ko ring mali sa pagtitrade, Tito G, lalo na sa pagyakap sa maraming altcoin. Till now, di pa ako nakaka-recover. Nakabili ako ng deep dive course yung last Feb 2. So ngayon, inaaral ko na. Tito Ben Tot, salamat po at tuloy-tuloy kayo nag-aaral. Just don't give up. Don't give up. If this is your first bull cycle, again, you have to forgive yourself. You have to forgive yourself. If you are young, maybe you're in your 20s or you're in your 30s, or maybe you're in your 40s. Kung nasa 20s and 30s kayo, you have a good 3 to 4 bull markets ahead of you eh. So maybe, kung naubos ka ngayon, sabihin na natin, worst case scenario, may natira kang 10% sa portfolio mo, you still have 2 to 3 bull markets ahead of you. Trabahuhin mo yan and make sure yung next bull market mo, kikita ka na. You only need one good bull market para maka-accumulate ka. Next cycle, if you play it well, you can easily 3x, 4x your money. Let's say you have 100,000 pesos. Play it well. If you play this next cycle well, dahil natuto ka na this cycle, ang dami mo ng pagkakamaling na gawa, and i-apply mo ngayon yan next cycle. Magpaplano ka na. Imagine if you have 100,000 pesos, next cycle, you can make it to 300,000 pesos. So meron ka ng 300,000. Ang laki na nun. Yung 300,000 na yun yung puhunan mo ulit next cycle. So, i-compound mo siya. Next cycle, after nun, yung 300 mo, times 3 mo, that's 900,000. And your 900,000, i-times 3 mo ulit, that's 2.7 million in 3 cycles. So, roughly mga 10 to 12 years. Di po ba? So, you only need one good cycle. Kaya wag po kayong panghinaan ng loob. Hanggat ganyan pa yung volatility, hanggat ganyan pa yung takbo ng crypto, create your game plan. Ngayon pa lang, i-assess nyo na, saan ba ako nasunog? Saan ba naipit yung capital ko? Sa futures trading ba? Sa altcoins ba na nakaspot? Sa meme coins ba? Ano yung mga hindi ko na gagawin next cycle? So, listan nyo na po yan para next cycle may maganda ka ng plano kasi nakita mo na eh. You only need one good cycle. Follow for more Tito Moves.